Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to hook up a tool to an air compressor. First off, you want to make sure that your air compressor is turned off and unplugged. Next, I'm going to make sure that my pressure adjustment is all the way closed. Again, loosening it will actually close it. Next, I'm going to get my air compressor hose, which has a collar on it that moves back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it back. I'm going to slip it on to my fitting. I'm going to make sure it's securely on there, and I'm going to push that collar forward. So again, to show you that, I pull my collar back, I slip it onto my fitting, make sure it's on there, and then I release that collar. Then I'm just going to check it to make sure it's secure. On the other end, I'm going to follow the exact same procedure. Pull back on my collar, slip it onto my fitting, make sure it's on there, release my collar, and then check to make sure it's on. Again, pull back your collar, slip it onto your fitting, make sure it's on, release your collar, and then test it.